How to get the Blood Moon Owl. How to get the Blood Moon Owl. So the update just dropped and we get a Blood Moon event. It's gonna go away very shortly, so you do have to open up the shop, scroll the way down, and you have to buy it from the store. You can also buy it for Robux if you don't know the weight, but this is how you get the Blood Owl. And this is a brand new pet. This is probably one of the best pets in the new Blood Moon update, and I am so hungry. I can eat a subscriber today. So if you're subscribed, you're about to be eaten by Code Ninja, because I'm very hungry and I went to the dentist and I didn't eat anything, and okay, and the update dropped. And why is my chicken jockey like missing a body? Like, where's the legs of the chicken? The chicken is also missing some legs. Anyways, let's put this chicken down. Put the chicken down because the chicken is gonna work for my farm right now, and everything is lit up. Yo, look at this disco fruits. Look at all the disco fruits, new disco events, the disco red lollipops as well, the disco cotton candy over here, candy blossom. There you go. This is pretty much how you get the new blood owl. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you want to get one for free, I'll be gifting one of these owls to you guys for this video only. Make sure you guys comment down below blood owl. If you will comment out blood owl, I'll be gifting one of these blood owls to you guys, so you can eat them up or just use them. Oh no, the monkey's back, no.